A very good morning, my dear children, and welcome back for the English online classes. Today, we are going to start the last activity sheet of your English activity book. After this, we will be starting the grammatical part. So, the last activity sheet is sheet 12. Linking lessons are 6.3 Killing Pain, 6.4 The Muddle Head. So, let's start with read these lines. Today, we don't feel any pain during an operation. The sick person falls into a kind of sleep, and when he awakes, the operation is finished. But some years ago, it was not so simple. The sick person had to feel all the pain of the operation. The doctor had to work with the terrible cries of the sick man ringing through his ears. So, this is the paragraph taken from 6.3 Killing Pain, and now accordingly we have to give the answers related to these questions. So the first one is, what has made operation painless? So what has made operation painless? The discovery. The discovery of anesthetics. The discovery of anesthetics has made the operations painless. Okay? The discovery of anesthetics has made the operations painless. Second one, what made operations difficult some years ago? So, what made operations difficult some years ago? The terrible cries and the movement of the patient made the operations difficult some years ago. So, what made the operations difficult some years ago? The terrible cries and movement of the patient made operations difficult some years ago. Okay. Third one, what rang through the doctor's ears and why? So, the terrible cries of the sick man. They used to cry, no? If they are conscious, it is obvious that they will be feeling the pain. So, the terrible cries of the sick man rang through doctor's ears because of the pain of the operation. Okay, so till third I told you, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8 you people have to do by yourself. Try by yourself. If any of the answer you will not get in this paragraph, then you may open your book. From the book also, from the chapter also you can search out. Then turn the page number 92. Rewrite each sentence correctly. So already the sentence given over there, many sentences are given from 1 to 6 and it is wrong. You have to do the correction of the sentence. Like the first one, when you are going to begin, it is wrong. Why? Because whenever we are asking questions, we have to keep in our mind that the helping verb will come first and then the noun or pronoun will come while asking questions. So it is, when are you going to begin? Question mark. When are you going to begin? Question mark. Then the second one, he asked a friend for help him. So what is the wrong one over here? For. He asked a friend to help him will come. Okay, in place of for. Next, he always got up mixed with clothes. So what is the wrong one? Up mixed is wrong. What will come over here? Mixed up will come. Mixed up with clothes. Next, ether was not the perfect anesthetic. So ether was not a perfect anesthetic. Fifth one, we don't feel no pain during an operation. See, don't is also given over here, no is also given over here. So two negative words cannot come in one sentence. So with don't, what we have to use over here? Any. Okay. Next, at lunch he scratched a piece of breads. So they are saying breads. And here they are saying that at lunch he scratched only a piece, means single piece. Okay, so what will come over here? At lunch he scratched a piece, P-I-E-C-E, piece of bread, not breads. Okay, so these are the answers. Next, rewrite each sentence in the tense given in the bracket. So first of all, we'll write down the rules. Like the first one, past continuous, what is the rule? Was, or were plus verb first form plus ing. For present continuous it is are, am plus verb first form plus ing. Present perfect has or have plus verb third form. Past continuous again was, were plus verb first form plus ing, and future simple will plus verb first form. So these are the rules. Okay, so first question is, I had been sleeping in the open, and you have to change into past continuous. So what it will become? I means singular first person. So with I what we are taking? Was or were? Was. So it will be I was sleeping in the open. I was sleeping in the open. Second, he asked a friend to help him. And what is given over there? Present continuous. So what is the formula? Is or am or are plus verb first form plus ing. Is we are using for singular, are we are using for plural, and am we are using with I. So how we will continue? He means singular or plural? Singular. So what we'll be writing down over here? He is asking a friend to help him. Ask is the first form of the verb. With that, if we will add ing, what it will become? Asking. So he is asking a friend to help him. Third one, I knew a man who lived in Bareilly. So the formula is for the present perfect tense, has or have plus verb third form. So what will come over here? Know is the verb first form, K-N-O-W. And here the past tense, K-N-E-W given. So what will be the third form? Know, knew, known. So what will come over here? K-N-O-W-N. So it will be, I known a man who has lived in Bareilly. Okay, I known a man who has lived in Bareilly. In this way also you can write down, or you can also write down, I have known a man who lived in Bareilly. Okay, both are correct. Fourth one, I hadn't been wearing my crash helmet. Same formula of past continuous, was or were plus verb first form plus ing. So it will be, I wasn't wearing my crash helmet. Hadn't will change into wasn't. Last one, the laughing gas did not prove a good anesthetic. So the laughing gas willn't prove a good anesthetic. Will plus verb third form given, but here it is negative sentence. So that's why with will we have to add not. Next page, page number 93, underline the words and write the correct answer. He passed the man collecting the fares. So it will be F-A-R-E-S, fares. And entered a carriage, awaited repairs. So entered a carriage, waited repairs. That stood on a siding all by itself. By. Half of his luggage he put on a shelf. The rest on the floor, his coat on his lap. Floor. And settled himself for a bit of a nap. So it is bite. Here it will come bit. All at once he raised his head. All at once. I must have been asleep, he said. I must have been. Hey, what stop is these? He cried. What stop is this? Hey, what stop is this? He cried. Bareilly, a voice replied. So these are the answers. Okay. Next, fifth one, choose the best option for each blank. 6 are there. First 2 I'll be doing for you. Rest all you have to do by yourself. Already 4 options are given to you over here. You have to read the sentence carefully, and then from out of these 4 options, any one is the correct answer that you have to select. Okay, like the first one, my uncle was hurt in a road accident. Collision, crash, hit. No, accident. Second one, she was dashed the book in her hand. So holding, catching, placing, gripping, what will come? Holding. Okay, rest you people have to do by yourself. Like my friends were dash of my problem. Unseen, unknown, unaware, untold. Fourth, I went up to the wicket dash accountant. So signed, written, marked, shown. Fifth, we both sat down and dash at each other. Saw, looked, watched, viewed. Sixth, my grandpa has no dash of life beyond his village. Taste, experience, feeling, thought. Then turn the page, page number 94. All of the, most of the. Where to use all of the and where to use most of the. For understanding that, we have to see both of these tables. This is for where we can't use of. Okay. And this is for where we can use of. So first of all, we'll be reading this first table where we can't use of. So where we can't use of with all, most, some, any, no. After all, most, some, any, no, you cannot use of. ऑल के बाद, मोस्ट के बाद, सम के बाद, एनी के बाद, नो के बाद हम ऑफ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. इसके बाद क्या आएगा? लाइक इट विल बी all of cities will not come. What will come? All cities. Okay. Or some books, then any children, any of children, like this it will not be there. So after all, most, some, any, no, we cannot use of. Here, but if of is used, the noun has to take some determiner before it. And if you want to use of, पहली बात तो ये कि हम ऑल, मोस्ट, सम, एनी और नो के बाद ऑफ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ ऑफ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको ऑफ यूज़ करना है, if you think that we have to use of over here, so alone of you cannot use. What you have to use with of? Either the, of the, or of this, of that, of these, of those, of my, of your. After all this, that you determiners only you can use of after all, most, some, any and none. Like all of the, all of this, most of this, some of that, any of these, any of those, none of mine, like that. Okay, alone of will not come, with of you have to take some of the determiner. Understood where to use of and where to use of the. So after explanation, now we will be seeing the examples. Like first one, most children like playing. It is correct. Most of will not come because I told you before children of will not come, and after most also of will not come. So we have to take one of the determiner. So what is the determiner that we have taken over here? The. Now it is a correct sentence. In the same way, next one, some books are very good. It is correct. Some books are very good. Why? Because it is not having any of in between. That's why it is correct, because I said over there, after some we cannot use of. Singular of we cannot use. So here, some of books are very good. So this will be wrong. Some of the books are very good. Why some of the books are very good? It's correct because after some of is there, but of is not alone. With of, which determiner is there? The. Then all children like playing. It is also correct because no of is there in between all and children. Second, all of children like playing. It will be wrong because here also of is alone. Next, all the children like playing. It is correct because without of, if you are using only the determiner, then also it will be correct. Because here it is given, see, all the is usually used without of. I hope you all understood. Seeing that, you have to do page number 95, fill in the blanks you have to do. So total 15 fill in the blanks are there. So 7 I will tell you. From 8 to 15 you people will be doing by yourselves. Like the first one, dash birds can fly. So what will come? Most or most of? Most birds can fly. Okay? Otherwise you have to use most of the birds can fly. Here the is not given and we cannot use any determiner by ourselves if already it is given in the fill up format. If it is a sentence, we can use the from ourselves. By our side we can put over there. But if it is fill in the blanks and that two options you are having, and out of both the option, if you think that the second option is correct but we have to add the over there, then you have to keep in your mind that that option is wrong. We cannot add anything if already the options are given over there. Second one, dash this money is yours. So sum of this money. Why sum of? Because already the determiner this is given over here. Third one, he has lost dash his money. So he has lost all his money. Dash children like playing. So most children like playing. Otherwise we have to use most of the. Then fifth one, dash my friends are married, so none of. Or else if you want to use none of, then the we have to put. So here it is none of my friends, because here also we have used the determiners my. So it is none of. Next, dash people never stop talking. So some people never stop talking, because no determiner. Dash sports are very dangerous. So some sports are very dangerous, because here also no determiner. You can change your money in dash banks. You can change your money in most banks, because here also no determiners. You must have dash this cheese. It's delicious. You must have some of this. It's a determiner. So we can use most of. So till 9 I have solved for you. 10 to 15 you people will be doing by yourselves. Okay. Like 10th one is dash the shops in the city center close at 6:30. 11. I don't like dash the pictures in the living room. 12. Do you know dash the people in this photograph? 13. I enjoyed dash the film, but I didn't like the ending. 14. We can't find anywhere to stay. Dash the hotels are full. 15. It rained dash the time and we couldn't enjoy our holiday. Here 2 times given we, no? So only 1 time we will be taking. Okay? Not 2 times. Understood? Then turn the page number 96. What is the question? Write the word that matches the given meaning, then say the word and write the number of syllables in the box. Okay? So syllables means, I already told you what do you mean by syllables? Syllables means vowels. Okay, syllables means vowels. So here what you have to do, first of all, from the box, we have to see the matching words and we have to fill in the blanks. After filling the blanks, you can able to see small boxes are given. For here, you have to pronunciate these words which you are putting in the filler. These words you have to pronunciate, and while pronunciation, how many vowels you can hear, not see, how many vowels you can hear. After hearing those vowels, you have to write down. Like sparkling, spar, a is coming, cling, e is coming. So how many vowels are there? 2 vowels. So how many vowels will come over here? 2. Very shiny, sparkling. In this way you have to do the rest. Keep in your mind, syllables means vowels. What vowels? The vowels which we get while pronunciating the word, and after pronunciation the hearing, from hearing side, सुनने से जो हमें vowel सुनाई देता है, the hearing power. So we have to first of all pronunciate the words. After pronunciating the words, while hearing how many vowels we can able to hear, that many vowels we have to count and we have to write in the box. So this will be your homework. Okay, like very shiny, sparkling, a celebration, party, ship's dock here, port, a floor covering, carpet, the day after Friday, Saturday, the opposite of boy, girl. So like this you people have to first of all write down and then you have to pronunciate. Sparkling, 2 I told, T-E, 2 is coming, so 2. Port, how many? Only O pronunciation is coming, so 1. Carpet, car, A pronunciation, et, E. 2 times A pronunciation is coming, so 2. Saturday, so Saturday, Saturday, Sa-A-Tur-A-Day, A. So 3 times A pronunciation is coming. Girl, only 1 time A pronunciation is coming. So in this way you people have to pronunciate and then you have to listen to your pronunciation carefully and then you have to count the number of vowels while hearing how many vowels you can able to hear, and then you have to write down in the box. I hope you all understood how to do. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp, or else if you think that whether my answer is right or wrong, then when you will get the notes of these activities, at that time you can do the correction and you can find out how many answers were right and how many answers were wrong, and the wrong ones you can erase and you can write down the correct ones over there. Understood everyone? Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day ahead.